In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Google Photos trash. We will do everything inside the Google Photos app on your Android phone, so make sure it is installed and updated from the Play Store first. When you are ready, open the Google Photos app by tapping its colored pinwheel icon and wait for the main screen to load with your photos and videos. Once Google Photos is open, look to the bottom of the screen. You will see a row of options there. Tap on Collections. On some phones, this tab may be labeled Library, but it is in the same bottom area. When you tap it, the view changes from your main photo grid to a screen with sections such as Albums, Utilities, and more. Now that you are in Collections, look through the list of options and tap Trash. You might need to scroll a little if you have many sections, but Trash will be there with a bin-style icon. As soon as you tap Trash, the screen switches to show only items that have been deleted. Here you will see your recently deleted photos and videos. They appear in a grid similar to your main library, but every item here is scheduled to be removed after a time limit. At the top of this screen, Google Photos often shows a short message telling you how long items stay in trash, which helps you see how much time is left before each file disappears. Next up, let us walk through restoring a deleted photo from trash. To start, go back into Google Photos, then tap Collections at the bottom and again tap Trash, so you are viewing the deleted item screen. Check that you see the grid of removed photos and videos before moving on. From there, find the photo or video you want to bring back. Touch and hold that item until you see a check mark appear on it. When an item is selected, a row of options appears along the bottom of the screen. One of these options is Restore, usually with a curved arrow style icon. With your item selected, tap Restore. Right away, Google Photos moves that photo or video out of trash. A small confirmation usually appears along the bottom, and the item disappears from the trash grid. The restored item now returns to your main Google Photos library, in the same date order it had before deletion. At this point, it helps to know how long items stay in trash. For backed up photos and videos, meaning they are saved to your Google account in the cloud, they remain in trash for 60 days. For photos and videos that are not backed up, they stay in trash for 30 days instead. After that time passes, the files are permanently deleted and cannot be restored, even by support, so checking trash regularly can prevent accidental losses. If you do not see trash in Collections, you can also find it using the search feature. Open Google Photos, tap Search at the bottom, then in the search box type the word trash and tap on the trash result that appears. Google Photos' current search is able to locate app areas such as trash, not only people or places. You have now learned how to find the Google Photos trash on Android and restore deleted pictures when you catch them in time. If this helped you rescue a photo, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple Google Photos tips.